into the state assembly. She believes in a higher power. You can count on her all the time. Helen, she supports the police and is always tough on crime. Now it's time to vote Helen. She will rock your world. Helen means good education for every boy and girl. She will cut your taxes. You're no longer in a bind. Go vote Helen, you'll be feeling fine. Vote Helen, with her you will go far. Vote Helen, she's our shining star. Now it's time to vote for freedom. Just follow Helen's way. She will truly fight for you. Go on out and vote Helen today.